Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy nerds. Start by blooming 2 tablespoons of gelatin in 1/4 cup cold water for 5 minutes. Then heat with 1/4 cup corn syrup and 2 tablespoons sugar until dissolved. Pour the warm mixture into prepared molds and sprinkle crushed nerds on top for texture. Chill the molds until fully set, then pop gummies out and store them in an airtight container to keep them chewy and fresh. In this video, I will show how to make gummy nerds. After mixing the liquid base, pour slowly into each cavity and tap the mold to settle the mixture and release air bubbles. If you want layered colors, pour thin layers and chill briefly between pours. Add crushed nerds on top or fold a small amount into the mix for pockets of crunch. Let gummies chill undisturbed until firm before unmolding and storing properly. In this video, I will show how to make gummy nerds. To build flavor, use flavored gelatin or a teaspoon of fruit concentrate and taste the warm syrup before pouring. For firmer chews, add a half tablespoon of gelatin, and for softer gummies, reduce gelatin slightly or shorten chilling time. Crush nerds finely for small crunchy bursts or leave larger pieces for more contrast. Store separated from moisture to preserve both chew and crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.